Canva and Synthesia both allow you to create AI-generated videos. Today we're going to figure out which one is actually better. Having a look at Canva now, Canva is amazing and nothing less than amazing. You get professional slides with animations. You get posters, flyers, and marketing materials. You get perfectly sized posts for all of your platforms. You get animated content for social platforms. It's got tons of amazing features. You can also see that it has collaboration features, so you get real-time team editing, which makes group projects seamless. It also has a brand kit. You can store your logos, colors, fonts, all in one single spot, and then you can apply your branding to any design within one click. So let's say you find a template, it looks amazing, and you just want to make a couple changes. You can actually apply your brand kit in one single click. So it'll take your logo, your colors, your fonts, styles, everything, and apply it to that template. Also, you can access millions, and when I say millions, I literally mean millions, stock images, icons, videos, audio tracks. There's so much more. There's no need to switch between multiple platforms. It's got tons of everything to offer. So also a couple of their use cases. It supports endless creativity possibilities for social posts to printable materials. You can export in a number of different formats. You can use it on your mobile device. You can use it on your computer, your desktop, your Mac, and you can sync your account, and changes are made in real time. So if you've made some changes on your mobile device and you jump onto your desktop, those changes are done immediately. So it really is a super tool. So if you are looking for a tool that has many dynamic levels for AI video creation, then Synthesia might be a good option for you. You can transform your business communications with cutting-edge AI video technology that is designed for enterprise scale production and global deployment. It's trusted by industry leaders. So there are companies worldwide, more than 50,000 global enterprises that trust Synthesia. They have a market-leading adoption rate of 60%, and they have 3 compliance standards. Their enterprise-grade security meets collaborative innovation. They offer real-time team video creation and management capabilities that ensure your organization stays ahead in the digital communication landscape. You can see over here, they have very expressive AI avatars and multilingual support. So, first of all, their diverse avatars, more than 200 dynamic expressions and body languages that adapt contextually to your script content. More than 120 languages, so they have global reach with a comprehensive multilingual support for international markets, and premium AI voices. So research-grade voice synthesis delivers natural, engaging audio experiences. They have world-class researchers that have crafted AI voices that deliver natural, engaging experiences across all your supported languages, as well as cultural contexts, and that's important. So folks, if you are looking for an AI video generator, one of these tools are going to be a better fit for you. The takeaway here is really to go and try 3 or 4 of them out and see which one actually works. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.